Hey guys, we're back in live at 10:35. We're running a mini for Mark's AFA Luke Jedi. There he is. I got 20 spots, if I recall correctly, and I'm going to check in a minute. Yep, top 4 win spots in a main. Going to paste our 20 spots in here, and then roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got a 6. We are rolling. Good luck, folks. Beetlejuice round 1. Todd 2. CJ takes round 3. Michael 4. CJ on top in round 5. And our winners are Beetlejuice, Todd, Ron, and CJ. Congratulations, guys. Here's our verification. UJEADY. There they are. Congrats, fellas. I am done at 10:36 p.m. As seen there. Again, here's the results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thank you.